Okay. Fourth flight of the day. Who's keeping count? I don't know. So I flew to Ellensburg, and then I had a check ride, and then I flew to here. Here is my friend Steve's vacation place, which is listed on Airbnb, and I am the person who gets to take back the laundry. So yeah, I came by helicopter to be a maid. So just shows you, any vehicle, right? So I am headed back home, back to base from here, and let's just do it. Lifting off, pivot around, we'll go off this way. Not much wind today. Take a look at the orchard again. We looked on the way in. Curious to see where they're picking. I see outhouses down there. They're probably done picking for the day. Yeah, the cars are gone. Once it gets to a certain temperature, don't worry, I'm not going to hit that tree. Been there, done that. Once it gets to a certain temperature, they have to stop picking. So we're up on Wenatchee Heights right now. In fact, I'll make a radio call about that. Wenatchee area traffic, helicopter 7534 Delta is up on Wenatchee Heights. We are transitioning to Malaga. If you watched my video flying home from taco night, this should look kind of familiar because my friend Cindy's house is right over there. So we're going almost the same way. Let's see if the big helicopters are still around. So most of the cherries have been picked, not all of them though. I've got another maybe 2 weeks left on my contract. Actually not even that much, just about a little bit over a week. I see one of the big helicopters. There's a Huey down here. I'll fly right over it. Yeah, that's the only one I see though. Surprised. I'm pretty sure that the pilot with that helicopter, it's kind of reddish orange over there. I'm pretty sure that pilot's living in this motorhome. Oh, there's the other one right there. I don't know why I didn't see it. So there's a Huey there, and there's a Huey over here. So there you go.
Wenatchee traffic, airport 6.
If I wasn't hot and hungry, I would stop and visit with them, but I'm hot and hungry. More cherries.
Airport 6, traffic 301.
And I'm back in the neighborhood already. So it's been a quick flight. I don't know, not much to say. Might not even share this. A little bit of wind right there. Might not even bother sharing this, but we'll see. And I'm coming into my base.
Wenatchee traffic, airport 6.
Take my turn.
30
Little
Bravo.
turbulence here. Not from winds, probably from heat. Oops. Kicking up a bunch of dust. Looks like I'm gonna take the roof off my Jeep. That's it. So short little flight. That would have taken me 30 minutes in my Jeep. So I really saved myself a lot of time by making that errand with the helicopter, since I was in the neighborhood anyway. And I know that sounds weird, but it's hard to explain. But things are different out here. You can do things like land in your neighbor's yard, and you know, as long as you don't bother anybody, and most people seem to like it. So there's always a couple of oddballs in the works, but I happen to know that his next door neighbor likes it, and of course the rest of the neighbors are the orchard, they don't mind. So it made a lot of sense for me to stop there and take care of my errand, and then come home. And that's what I'm doing now. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it was short, but hey, short is good sometimes. And tell your friends, and keep tuning in for more. Take care, bye.